I've said before that there are plenty of things that large language models are not good at, such as deterministic tasks or when they require information that's after their training cutoff date. But what if we could give our LLMs some more capabilities? Let's talk today about the first step in agents, something that we'll call tools, and how they work. We can overcome these LLM limitations by giving them access to external information or the ability to take actions such as calling some code or external systems. Imagine if your LLM had access to contacts in your CRM or could update support tickets dynamically. We'll call this capability to take actions tools, and it's the first step in agentic AI. Now I know the term agents is overloaded, that's why I want to break down this core capability for you. So how do LLMs call these tools? Well, in fact, they don't. Instead, you're going to tell your LLM, here are the tools in your toolbox. Let me know if you need one. Here, let me show you. We'll use WatsonX.AI's new agent lab to create an agent for our canonical example of counting the number of R's in the word strawberry. We'll give our agent a name, description, and a quick start question. Next, we'll use the open source agent framework called LangGraph and an architecture called React that I'll explain in a moment. We can also give our agent an introductory system prompt that tells it how it should work. Now comes the fun part. We'll want to add a tool to our agent. Ours is going to be a custom tool called the letter counting tool. I've written a Python method that gives the number of instances of a letter in a word, and I've defined the input parameters on the left. That's all we need. Now, if we ask how many R's are in strawberry, we get the right answer. But how did it get that answer? Looking under the covers, you can see that the first response from the LLM was a request to call our letter counting tool with the letter R and the word strawberry. Our agent then makes the call to the Python method. The output of 3 was then provided back to the LLM so that it could come up with the final response. This pattern of calling the LLM, calling a tool, and then calling the LLM again is that React architecture that I mentioned. How do you envision using tool calling with LLMs in your business? Let me know in the comments below.